The red wolf, the most endangered wolf species. I got it. The red wolf, most endangered wolf species there is today. Scientific name, Canis rufus. The red wolves actually moved from southern eastern Texas to North Carolina. The red wolf is endangered. It's because it's human caused. We kill these wolves. We as humans hunt these wolves. Either hang them up as a trophy or just because we don't like the way that they're in our land. From the steady decline of all the red wolves passing away, all the red wolves just dying and dying, a huge wipeout happened. 386 red wolves died, and 121 were confirmed to be illegal kills, meaning we are one of the main threats to these wolves. There's only 8 of them left in the world. They've been endangered since 1966, 67. Diseases, many diseases are what they go through.
Another factor on why these wolves are endangered is because they have predators on their back, known as the coyotes and the gray wolves.
One, there shows of decline in their population is also a decline in their mating. There's only 8 of these wolves left. Not very known to how many male or female aspects there actually are. There's only 8. We are trying to make a recovery effort, the species survival plan. It's a plan to just for any aquatic, I believe, and any dated animals that are here and that are still hanging on to keep hanging on, to try to bring it up, to try to make more mate. And it's difficult because there's only 8 of them left. I can just throw that fact there how much I want because there's literally only less than 2 handfuls left. To this date, the service has provided over $700,000, which is amazing, but even through it all, and if you look at big percentages, it's not enough. So I feel like as for us and as for people, we have to keep providing. So let's just provide as much as we can provide. My opinion, I feel like we got to do more. Not just for these wolves, not just for one specific type of animal just because we think it looks pretty. I mean for all animals, from down to deep blue to the same animals breathing the same air we breathe. They're living. Just imagine if we were that, if we were gone and nothing was trying to fight for us just because how we looked. So I believe not if the red wolf because it looks cool, or a cute squirrel or a penguin or anything like that. Animal's ugly doesn't mean it's not providable. Every animal has a purpose. Every person has a purpose. So just like we have a purpose, those animals have the same purpose. Probably not the same purpose we share. That squirrel or that red wolf is not going to be playing basketball like I'm playing basketball. That'd be crazy. But what it means is do something great and do something good. I don't know how I can help. I can donate as much as I can donate, but to get really nitty and gritty into it, I mean, that's where it hits home. So let's just do that as people. Let's just go out and hit home. Help homes. Start homes and rebuild homes for any animal, any person, anything. I feel like that would be my conclusion to this, I guess. But I just want to, keep showing this was a very cool project, and I just want to thank my cool teacher, Mr. Grant Steven. Yup. He listens to cool music, and that's all you need to know about him. Hope I got everything down. As of right now, that's good. Cool.